Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Attio, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create an Attio CRM account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for an Attio CRM account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're a startup, Attio is a popular way to manage all of your customers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, attio.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to sign up and create an account, go ahead and click on the black button, start for. Okay, once you click there, you can go ahead and sign in with Google, or you can use your email address. I'm going to go ahead and use my email address. Okay, once you've entered that in, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, immediately after, Attio sent me an email with a temporary password. So I'm going to grab that from my email and paste it in here and click on continue. Okay, next you need to go ahead and profile picture, your first name, last name, confirm your email, and then click on this blue to continue. Okay, next they're asking to upload your company logo, your company name. You can create a workspace handle and your billing country. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this in off screen. Okay, next Attio is going to ask you how you found out about them. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this. Here you can go ahead and connect your email and calendar with Google or Microsoft, or you can do what I do and create manually by clicking on this button. Okay, here you can turn on this feature where Attio is going to go ahead and auto record your meetings. I'm not going to set that up now, so I'm going to click here, don't auto record my meetings. And now they're asking what I'm going to be using Attio for. So I'm going to go ahead and click sales and product led and continue. Here you can go ahead and invite other team members or admins into your account. I'm going to do that later, so I'm going to click skip for now. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes to my Attio dashboard, and they let me know that my free trial is for 14 days. From time to time, Attio runs promotions, so check my video description. I'll try to leave the most recent promotion there. So let me click on explore. Okay, so now I am in my Attio CRM dashboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create an Attio CRM account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.